Hey there, I'm Jennifer Martin with Prefix Party and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a super easy way to create a cute DIY centerpiece made of candies. All you'll need are some holiday Hershey Kisses, a vase, peppermints, and a decor pick to top things off. The first step is to divide the Hershey Kisses by color. Next, you just want to add the candy to the vase, alternating colors and candies. There's no real science to this. Alternate the candies and the colors as you see fit. You don't even have to use the red, green, or silver. You can use any sort of candy as long as they fit into the vase. And I feel like around the holiday season, people just always want to snack and have a sweet tooth, or at least they do at my house. So having these cute vases or cute edible centerpieces are a great way to add some decor as well as give people something to snack on, whether it's for a party or if it's just some decor that you'd like to have around your home to make it more festive for the season. Next, you want to add the decor pick. I got this one from Walmart, but you can get them from anywhere. And there's all different types. There's some that are a little bit more natural with branches. You can do like a star. I love this one because it adds a little bit of pizzazz, and I love that it sparkles as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe and share if you care. Happy holidays!